Hi everyone, welcome to the Data Science for Beginners program. Now, why data science? First of all, now it's a buzzword these days, it's a trending skill, mainly due to the fact that, as you know, everything is becoming digitized and everything is becoming data. Now, they say in the future, no matter what your company's products or services, the companies are going to be data companies or data driven companies. So all of you all need to have a good understanding about storing data, manipulating data, analyzing data, and make use of those data and make certain decisions. So what are we trying to do now in data analytics and data science? What are we trying to do? So I'm going to draw a timeline. So this is your now current, and this is the past, and this is the future. So what do we have now? Depending on the domain or depending on the company or depending on the business that you are in, you will have certain problems coming up, right? Now, when you have those type of questions, you again ask two more questions based on that. Why did this happen? And also, what am I going to do about it? So if you want to answer the question, why did this happen, then a good method of answering that question is to dip in or go back into your past and look at what has happened. So normally, the data that is coming from the past, I will call here up it as a data set. That means data set is a recorded some data points in a structured or an unstructured way, where we are going to use to derive something called insights, or I can call it as some useful information where we would be able to get some benefit. Maybe we can use some modeling or models or mathematical models and try to predict something which is going to happen in the future as well. So that is going to be predictive aspect of data analytics. But definitely the science piece comes when we start doing the modeling piece, right? First, you need to have some maths knowledge. So in my course, this course, you will need at least the ordinary O-level mathematics. Also, as a data scientist, you need to have some knowledge about the domain that you work. Now, what do you mean by domain? It is the subject area that your problem is coming from. For an example, you might be trying to solve a human resources problem, right? And marketing related questions you might have to answer, or maybe sales related ones, or maybe economics related, so supply chain related. So like that, your problem can come from various domains, maybe scientific research or aeronautics or anything. Now the next thing is this: you should have some programming or ability to use certain tools. So in my program, I'm going to use few tools, and the programming language that I'm going to use is Python. But don't worry, even the basics of that programming language I will be covering in this program.